How you doing, guys? Welcome back to Three Prong Fishing. Thanks for watching. Hey, today we're going to be installing an LED parking lot light. I just got in the mail. This LED light. See what it looks like. We'll be unboxing it here shortly. You got it? Nice little full light user manual. Nice instructions. Look at that. That's what I was afraid of. What I wanted to find out is we can put the connection within the actual stance. So it looks like it. Keep looking. It's nice, well packaged. You got your three connectors, 3 wires, power, ground, and neutral. Wow, it's pretty heavy. It's got good weight to it. Pretty solid. It's a huge light. Good protection with the LEDs, and that solid aluminum, so they can wind can pass through it, so they can heat. Looks good. Heck of a bracket. Holy cow, it's a hell of a bracket. Oh, good bracket. And you got your this is your photo cell controller. Plugs right in the top. Alright guys, before you attempt to put this in, I had a really hard time finding an Allen wrench that big. I had to come up with some contraption, screwdriver, and biggest Allen wrench I had to kind of take it up. This is huge. So you're gonna have to take your bracket apart, which is solid, right? And you have this big hole right here. And your bracket slides in like this. It locks in with these 2 screws. But you got your wire that comes in through there. So you have to feed your wire through this hole, and then through this hole, which is directly inside the bracket. Do it with your fingers. You got to feed it through. You have your color coordination here. You got live, neutral, ground, which is green. Just tells you the colors. So it's gonna go like this. So you have this cutout right here. So as you slide it through, you're gonna have to feed it with your finger, and then pull on it. Just this one, just like this, and it locks in right into place. This is the bracket that goes attached to your residence or wherever you want to put it into. So you have enough room right in here to make the wire connection and slide it in there. So this part goes in here like this, where you want to feed this through here like that. And now put your Allen wrench right back where you have the adjustable. On the other side, you got your Allen wrench here with your wires that came through. And then you screw that back in so you can give it whatever angle you want. So this is a contraption I made. As you can tell, it's one of my biggest Allen wrenches, and then the screwdriver, and then this will actually turn this big old Allen wrench. I don't know how tight I'm gonna get it, but I'm trying to get it as tight as I can. I got it pretty tight. So again, biggest Allen wrench I had and the biggest screwdriver I had. So we got the 3 colors. Woo! Switch is on. All right. First thing I want to do is check, make sure the switch is off.
So nice.
Woo! All right. Let's make sure the switch is on. All right, so now that we got the power turned off, so we're gonna There's a little spicy wire there. So we're gonna turn off, we're gonna black with black, green with your ground, and then white with common. So you got these three here, as tight as they can go. I'm gonna try to shove them all into this wire hole right here as we come down and brace it right here. So this is gonna be the hard part. All right, so there you go. Lights up.